Sorry, Vedika. Okay, we'll start with this. See this one. If the positions of 5th and 12th letters of the word are interchanged, likewise 5th and 12th, okay. Then 4th and 14th, 4th and 14th, 3rd with 10th letters, 3rd and 10th letters, 2nd with 11th letters, and 1st with 13th letter. Okay, he is telling in a zigzag manner. Compulsory, we have to do this. We have to do the arrangement. GLORIFICATIONS. Suppose if he has given first with the 5th, second with the 6th, third with the 7th, in that way, if he has given, no need to do the arrangement. Here, he is giving in a zigzag manner. That's why we have to do. Okay.
So like I got the answer is it took a lot of time. Is there any simpler way to solve this?
Yeah, we can solve this in a simple way. See, what is our requirement? Then which of the following will be 12th letter from the right end? First, which is the 12th? First, tell me which is the 12th letter from right end. 1, 2,
Sir,
3,
it's O.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th letter from right end is I. This one, right?
Yes, sir, it's O.
Okay. So what is its place from the left end? 1, 2, 4. Sorry, 4, 5.
5th.
So here 5th letter will be interchanged with 12th letter. Right? What is the 12th letter if you count from the left hand?
O.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's why means we can say the answer as O without writing anything, because these two will interchange. Got it?
Sir,
not understood?
Sir.
See, first of all, see the question. What is our requirement? Here, what is required? We need 12th element from right end. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is that 12th element from right end? That is I. Actually, this is which letter? 5th letter.
Yes, sir.
5th letter will be replaced by
12th letter.
So what is the 12th letter?
O.
O. So that's all. In place of I, it will be O, and our answer will be O in the new arrangement.
Sir, but the answer is given as T over here. Option 4. Yes, sir.
1 second. What is the 12th letter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12th letter is O only. So here 5th letter will be interchanged with the 12th letter. And 14th letter, 3rd. 10th letter, 2nd. 11th letter, 1st. 13th letter, sorry, 1st with 13. 1st and 13. 2nd and 11. 3rd and 10. 4th with the 14. 5th with the 12. What is the T? What is the place of T? 10th color. 10th, right?
Yes, sir.
There is no 10th place interchange in the question. Nowhere the 10th letter is changed with any other letter. Yes or no?
Sir, the 3rd and the 10th letter are interchanged.
There it is. Okay, 3rd and 10th letters are interchanged. Okay. But we don't need 3rd letter, right? We require 12th letter from the right end.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finally, you got so you told me already. I have done this question with arrangement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
After your arrangement, what is your answer?
Sir, it is I.
I. Okay, we'll do this. Okay, we'll do this, and later let us see whether it is O or not. Okay, tell me. Apply those points. We have to interchange the positions of fifth with the 12. Let me take the positions first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 14. Okay, we have to interchange fifth with the 12th. What is the fifth letter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I. We have to change I with 12th letter. Okay, write this I in 12th place first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12th letter is this one. This will be I. And 12th will be in fifth place.
Fifth place.
What is the 12th letter? O. O will be in fifth place. Okay. And just think once, we are again disturbing these letters. Sorry, fifth place. I have written in third place. Okay, this is the fifth place, right? This is O.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we have interchanged fifth with the 12th. Fifth letter with the 12th letter. Okay, from the right end, 12th place is required. Is our question. From the right end, what is the 12th place? This one, correct? This one.
Yes, sir.
And we have to change the third letter with. Oh, we have done mistake. Okay, without writing anything, see. We have done mistake. Huh? What is that mistake is? I am continuously taken this places. I am continuously applying that first fifth to 12th that concept to this one. That is my mistake. See, we need 12th letter from the right end. Yes or no? What is the 12th letter? This one. Actually, this is which letter?
O.
No. Third letter, right?
Third letter from the left hand.
Third letter from left hand. So third means it is from left hand only by default. If it is from right hand, it will mention.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but in the question, it didn't mention that we have to take from right hand or else from the left.
That is what I am telling. By default, it is from left hand only. If it is mentioned, we have to take that position. By default, it is from left hand only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this will be the first letter. This is the second letter. This is the third letter, fourth letter. In that way, we have to consider. Okay, he is asking for 12th letter from the right hand. That is nothing but third letter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Third letter will interchange position with 10th letter. Okay, what is the 10th letter in the given word?
T.
So T will come here, and that is our answer. Yes, correct is T only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then 15th question. If the first and third letters in the word are interchanged, first and third letters are interchanged, and also second and fourth letters are interchanged. First and third, fourth and second and fourth, fifth and seventh, and so on. Okay, then what is our requirement here? Which letter would be third letter to the right of eighth letter from the right end? See, third to the right of eighth letter from right end, he is asking. Okay, then what is the actual? Can you tell one position for these two positions, equivalent position? Can I say it is fifth from the right end?
Sir, I didn't understand this.
See, this is the right end, suppose. Let me take some positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, some. Okay, this is from right end. If you count from right end, First, we have to take 8th element from right end. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you count from the right end, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth,
Sir,
seventh.
the second letter from the left hand.
This one. Okay. And for this letter, he is asking for third right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First, second, third, this one. This is our answer actually. Yes or no?
Sir, so for
The same thing
thought
will
from
be,
the right hand, so we have to start from the starting, or else.
this is from the right end, but here I have not declared this is the left end. Okay. We can take any number of positions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this place, what is this place? This is the 5th from the right end. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Overall, he is asking for 5th from the right end. Okay. In the given word, how many letters are there? Examination. 1, 2, 3, 4,
11.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay. He is asking for 5th from the right end. What is that 5th position? Let us take from the right end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this element he is asking. What is that letter? 5th letter from the right end is
A.
A. So A is actually which letter from the left end?
It's the
1,
7th letter.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7th letter. Is there any 7th letter interchange?
Yes, sir. 5th and 7th.
Second and fourth interchanging. 5th and 7th are interchanging. Okay. 5th will,
Yes.
5th will interchange with the 7th letter. Means this one will interchange with this one. Yes,
I and A.
yeah. I and A, if both of them are interchanged, then in place of A, it will be
I.
I. Then our answer is I. Because we need that location only. This location only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You got this point? How to take this type of?
Yes, sir. So can you give few more examples on this?
Okay. See. Third to the left, fourth to the right, fourth element from right end. Tell me, what is the position? What is the single position for these two?
Sir, it would be the first from the right end.
See, so suppose, yes, very good, correct. So if we take from the right end, first, second, third, and fourth, and he is telling for this fourth element, for this element, he is asking for the third left. No, it is not first from the right end. He is asking for the third left. Okay. First left, second left, third left. This element he is asking for. Okay. What is the position? What is the position of this one? From the right end. Don't say from the left hand, because the left hand is not confirmed yet. Here I have taken, this is the right hand, and from the right hand I have started. Simply,
It's the 8th.
simply I will tell practically. See, suppose you are waiting at the right end. Suppose you are waiting at the right end for a person. Okay. You are waiting at
Yes.
right end, and you want to go how many positions actually?
8.
4 positions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are waiting at right end and you want to go 4 positions. You decided to go 4 positions. Towards which direction?
Left.
Yeah, you are starting from the right end, means you will move towards left end only. Okay. You want to go 4 positions towards your left. And I told you, go 3 more positions left from there. From there, go 3 more positions towards left. So directly you will go to 1 position and you will stop there. Where?
At the 8th position.
No, not 8th position. That is 7th position only. See, you want to go 4 positions and I told you go 3 more positions.
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that will be seventh position from which end?
From right end.
From right end only. Let me take another example. See, suppose third to the right of fifth element from right end. Fifth element from right end. See, you are waiting.
Sir,
You are waiting.
second. Sir, right end.
You are waiting at right end, and you want to go how many positions?
5 to
5
the
positions
left.
towards
Left.
left. So you want to go 5 positions towards left. For you, I am saying after reaching those 5 positions towards your left and go three positions towards your right. And you have calculated
Second
in your
position
mind.
From the right end.
Yeah, second position from the right end. Correct. So for this type of questions, remember one thing. What is the thing is simply replace this right end by the left. Yes or no?
Yes.
We are starting from the right end only, but our movement will be towards left. Okay. If they are of same polarity, like left or right, do addition. If they are opposite polarity, if it is a left or right left,
Subtraction.
then subtraction. And in case of addition, it is okay. Both left will take left only, both right will take right only for the resultant number. But if it is a left and right combination for the resultant number, which direction we have to consider?
Sir, which have more
bigger
value.
element direction. Bigger direction. Okay. So remember this point. Now you can tell directly without doing any calculation or any analysis. Tell me, third to the right of eighth element from the left end. Tell me.
Sir, 11th from the left hand.
Yes, very good. So how? So we have to take the position from the left hand only, but consider it as right hand. As of now, temporarily consider it as right. And because these two are of same polarity, we have to add them.
We have to
adding it will be 11th from the left hand. Okay, tell me, third to the left of fourth to the right of eighth to the left of 11th element from the right end. Tell me, what is the position which is equivalent to all these three moments, all the four moments?
Sir,
are you there?
It's 12 from, sir?
Tell.
Sir, it's 12th from the left end. No, sir. 12th from the right end.
We have to take the position from the right end only, but consider it as left for our addition and subtraction calculation.
Yes, sir. 12th from the right end.
Why Jivika left the class? What happened? Okay, let us complete this. Tell me, here add all lefts and add all rights. If you add all lefts, it will be 3 plus 8 plus 11. 3 plus 8 plus 11. 22. Yes or no?
Yes.
And one right is there. What is that right? 4. 22, 4 difference is how much?
18.
18th from the right end. That is the required element.
Yes.
Okay. Use this point. Okay. Jivika, what happened, ma? What happened, Jivika?
What, sir?
What happened?
Sorry, sir, I accidentally got disconnected. Did you
Okay.
call me or anything?
No, nothing.
Okay.
You also have to respond, okay?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Next.
Sir, I have another doubt in the blood relationship.
Tell.
a man pointing to a photograph says, "The lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother." How is
One
the
second,
lady
one
in the
second.
photograph?
Lady is my
The lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother.
maternal grandmother.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
How is the lady in the photograph related to the man's sister who has no other sister or brother?
Man's sister. Okay. See this. He's asking the relation between this lady and the man's sister, and this man's sister has no more brothers and no more sisters, right?
Yes, sir.
Means these two are the only siblings. There are no more siblings to these two. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Who is telling this statement? Who is giving this statement? Tell me, who is giving this statement? Man, right?
Sir, I didn't understand this.
In the given question, who is giving this statement? Pointing to a lady in the photograph, who is
Sir,
telling
a
this
man. A
statement?
man.
Man. So here my means what?
Sir, the man's nephew.
No. My means man. Okay. My means man.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Man's nephew means, who is this nephew? Means man's sister's son, right?
Yes, sir.
Man's sister's son is man's
Is
nephew. Man's sister's son's maternal grandmother. Let me draw the diagram. Okay. So here I will use three shortcut symbols. See, I will use vertical line to represent parental relation. I will use a horizontal line to represent sibling relation. And I will use horizontal with both side arrow to represent spouse relation. This is for spouse relation. This is for sibling relation. And this is for parental relation. Okay, ready?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm starting with man. Man's nephew, nothing but man's sister's son. This is man, man's sister. Because these two are siblings, I'm using a horizontal line. Man's sister. And that man's sister is having a
Son.
This one. So because this is a male person, I'm using plus here. Okay. The lady is this boy's. Suppose if I take this man's sister's son or man's nephew as some X person, who is that lady? Ex maternal grandfather. Sorry, maternal grandmother, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Means that lady is the mother of this man's sister.
Even of the man.
Sorry.
Sir, so the line should be in both the persons, right? Man and
No,
as well the.
no need. Okay. If you represent a parent for one person, all the siblings are the children of those two, that member only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This relation, this vertical line is for both of them, both this man and man's sister also. Now the question is, how the lady related to the man's sister? Man's sister is this one. How this lady related to man's sister? Is mother.
Sir, the mother of the man's sister.
Yes. The lady is the mother of man's sister. Answer is mother. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Jivika, tell.
Sir, my doubt.
Tell.
I wanted to ask you about the multiple figures thing.
Okay. We forgot that. Let us see those things first today.
Yes, and how to count the number of triangles in the given figure.
Yeah, let us do these things and later we'll go to that one. Okay. Counting of figures, number of triangles. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Tell me in the first picture how many triangles are there. Count and tell the answer.
3.
3. In the second picture,
4.
so actually the
6.
diagram is this one. The diagram is this one. Tell me how many how many triangles are there in the second picture?
Sir, 4.
Sir, 6.
Okay, see 1, 2, 3. Individually 3. Yes or no? Plus
Yes,
Yes,
sir. The
sir.
1 and 2
1 and 2
combined to
combination
form,
will get 1. 2 and 3 combination will get 1.
Yes, sir. And the
And
whole
altogether
triangle.
1. So totally 6. And if you count in this way, it will take a lot of time for this diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us see the shortcut. Here the shortcut is simply how many bases are there? 1 and 2. Here the answer is 1 plus 2. Number of triangles will be there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here 1, 2, and then 3. Answer for this question is 1 plus 2
6.
plus 3. 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 1
1
plus 2
plus 2
plus
plus
3
3
plus
plus
4.
4.
Okay. And what about this one? Here we have to apply the same thing in two situations. Here considering this base 1, 2, 3. In this case 1 plus 2
6.
plus 3. And another 1, 2, 3. Here also 1 plus 2 plus 3.
Sir, so we don't have to continue that 4, 5, and 6.
Don't continue. So that those triangles are different and these triangles are different.
Okay, sir.
So here are 6 and here are another 6. So here we can do one more thing also. If you can find 1, 2, 3, simply 3. Sorry, 3 means it is 6 now. For below base it is 6
Yes,
now.
sir.
So directly we can multiply with the number of horizontal lines. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us apply that one here. Tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is how much?
Sir, 40. The answer is 45 for the whole triangle.
45. Okay. 1 plus
Yes,
2
sir.
plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is how much? 10. Sorry, 15. How many horizontal lines are there?
Into 3.
3. That's all. 45. Correct.
45.
Best term? Yes,
Sir?
sir. Is it not best?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is okay, but see the next diagram here. The middle lines are not not from the beginning to ending. They cut in the middle. So here it is mandatory. The meeting will end in 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, we'll rejoin again. It is mandatory to count the triangles individually. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is.
Sir, the answer is 26.
Okay, let me count and tell the answer. Let me count and confirm the answer. Here it is 1 plus 2. How many?
3.
3. Here 1, 2, 3. How many?
6.
6. Here 1 plus 2.
3.
If we add all the numbers, we'll give the answer. How much it is? 27, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, calculation mistake.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That they are one type of questions for triangles. This is another type. See, Tell me, in this, how many triangles are there?
2 triangles.
2 triangles. In this, how many triangles?
Still 2 triangles.
2 triangles only. Okay. Here in this picture, how many triangles are there?
4. No, sir. It's 6. Sir,
You can
it's
count and
8
tell the answer.
triangles. 8 triangles.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Individually, 4.
Sir, and then 4
Yes.
and 3 is 1 triangle. 4 and 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 2.
1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, and 4 and 1 again.
Yes.
There
sir.
are 4 more triangles with the 2 triangles combination. So the answer is
8.
so instead of doing all these things directly, we can say how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yes.
Simply 4 2s are 8. Okay.
Sir, so the number of triangle into the
Individual triangles into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So here the triangles
12.
will be 6 2s are 12. Tell me in this diagram.
16.
Yes, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 2s are 16. Next in this,
10.
yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 2s are 10. In this,
12.
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 2s are 12. And in this,
6.
6.
6, 1, 2, 3. 3 2s are 6,
6.
which is a wrong answer. No, here it is not 6. If you want, you can check. 1, 2, 3 individually 3 triangles. Yes or no? Plus 1 and 2 combination.
Yes.
Can you form a triangle?
No, sir.
No. 2 and 3 combination.
No, sir.
3 and 1 combination.
Yes, sir.
Then that's all. That is 4 only. So why it is giving wrong answer is, remember this thing, in this type of questions, the diagonals must the diagonal must be complete diagonal. It should be it should touch the opposite corners. Okay. So in every diagram, in every of the above diagrams, all the diagonals are touching both opposite sides. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Except in the last case. So here there is a half diagonal. So in this type of questions, we have to count individually, manually. Otherwise, we can use shortcuts. Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
or else we can subtract 2 from the answer.
Okay, but how to know? How we can know only 2? We need to subtract 2 only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me here. In this picture.
14.
No. Again, you are doing the same mistake.
Sir,
Your
no.
diagonal is incomplete. Okay. Are you there?
Yes, I'm doing the question.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, is it 7?
Only 7. Let me count. 1, 2, 3,
Sir, it's 11.
5, 6. Individually 6 plus 1 and 2 combination, no triangle. Next, 1 and 3 combination, no triangle. With the 2
Sir, what?
triangles, 2 and 3 we can frame, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With the 2 plus 3, 1 plus next. With the 4 plus
3
5,
and
we can form 1 plus with this half,
1 triangle.
1 triangle, and above half is also another triangle.
Yes, sir.
This one. So total 10.
10 triangle.
Okay. And tell the answer for this picture.
24.
Total 24.
Sir, this one also we have to do manually.
Let us see. Okay.
Sir,
One.
or else we can find the number of triangle in one figure and then multiply it
Yes,
with
yes,
the
yes. Yeah, from here to here, how many?
8.
8. How many
8 into 4.
squares are there? 4. So overall it is 8 into 4, 24.
32.
But this is not final. 24 is not final because this is
Sir,
different.
8 4 is the 32.
This is different. We got 8 and this is different. We got 8. But whenever we are joining these two, there is another triangle forming. Yes or no? This is
Sir,
an extra
32
triangle.
plus 6.
Yes, very good. This is 1, 2, and then 3. The same type of triangles will be there with the above base. 1, 2, and then 3. So 24.
38 is the answer.
24 plus how much? 6 now.
Sir, but 8 into
Sir,
4 is
8 into
32.
4.
Sorry. 8 into 4 is 32. 32
Yes.
plus 6.
6, 38.
38. 38 is the answer. Yes. And if the figure is like this, here also we'll do one thing. We'll calculate for 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s are 8.
8.
8 4s are
32.
32. Now tell me combinational figures.
Sir, 32 plus 4.
Only 4. See. Or otherwise we can do one thing. This is the bigger square. Yes or no? This is a bigger square. In this,
Yes.
there are 2 diagonals. How many triangles will be there in this?
4.
No.
Sir, 8.
8.
8 more. 8. And other than this, any more?
Sir, the half part.
That's all. 32 plus 8, 48. This, up to this is clear. 32 up to 32 is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Then see. This is 1. Okay. Okay, this is 1. All right. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. Okay. Okay.
Sir, and half of the.
Yes,
full
half.
marks.
Half means this half 1 and this half 2.
Okay, sir.
Then
So 4 plus
this
4.
half 3 and this half 4. That is what I am telling. Individually, it is 8 4s are 32, and this 8 is for bigger square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In less than 1 minute, we are going to disconnect. Connect again immediately.
Yes, sir.
Next picture. This one. One, 2, and 3. Tell me for 1. In this, how many triangles are there?
Sir, doing 1 minute.
Tell.